Today, I'll discuss 5 freelance opportunities related to Google that you can pursue in 2024. Google, being one of the most influential companies globally, offers various avenues for earning money, often providing free training on utilizing its products and services. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. First on the list is Google Ads. There's a plethora of freelance jobs associated with Google Ads. Essentially, you'll be optimizing pay-per-click campaigns, encompassing tasks such as keyword research, ad copywriting, bid management, and ongoing campaign analysis. Your goal is to minimize PPC costs while maximizing customer conversions. With Google's advertising revenue continually increasing, the demand for PPC experts is on the rise. Freelancers in this field typically earn between $49,000 to $80,000 annually. Higher-level roles like paid search managers can command $78,000 to $126,000 per year. However, the real potential lies in freelancing or starting your own agency, where specialists can charge over $100 per hour on platforms like Upwork. With Google offering free comprehensive training through its courses and partnerships with platforms like Coursera, this is an incredible opportunity to land a job, freelance, or start your own business. I'd rate this opportunity a 9.5 out of 10. Next, let's explore an opportunity that might be new to you. Utilizing Google Shopping. Google Shopping involves curating and optimizing e-commerce product listings on the Google Shopping platform. E-commerce refers to the sale of physical products online, such as kitchen items or gifts. In this role, you'll create and maintain product feeds, refine product titles and descriptions, manage bids for various paid traffic sources directed to the products, and analyze performance within the Google Shopping Ads platform. Considering the vast user base of Google, with billions of users worldwide, and the popularity of Google Shopping among millions of people, there's a substantial demand for expertise in this area. Freelancers like Pablo on platforms like Upwork charge $50 or more per hour. According to Glassdoor, Google Shopping specialists earn approximately $72 to $124 per hour. Additionally, Google offers free training and certifications on using the platform, including courses like Discover How AI-Powered Shopping Ads Work and a Shopping Ad Certification. This opportunity is somewhat akin to Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, where individuals sell products on Amazon's platform. However, the Google Shopping space is less saturated and less well-known, offering fewer competitors. By obtaining relevant certifications and honing your skills in this area, you can position yourself well for freelance gigs. I'd rate this opportunity an 8.5 out of 10. Next up is becoming a Google Search Console expert. Google Search Console is a vital component of SEO, search engine optimization, which essentially involves optimizing websites to rank higher on Google's search results. Achieving a high ranking on Google is crucial because it significantly impacts website traffic and potential conversions. Being proficient in Google Search Console can greatly aid in this endeavor. As an illustration, professionals like Kevin charge $129 per hour, branding themselves as Google Search Console experts. However, the scope of opportunities in SEO goes beyond just Google Search Console. Various roles in SEO abound, mainly revolving around Google's platform, given its dominance as the world's largest search engine. SEO strategists earn $68,000 to $109,000 annually. SEO analysts make $57,000 to $97,000. And SEO content writers earn $47,000 to $75,000 yearly. Remarkably, a college degree or prior experience is not required to embark on a career in SEO. This skill is invaluable, whether you're seeking employment, freelance opportunities, or planning to start your own business. Numerous free or affordable online courses can help you acquire these skills. For instance, you can take the Google Ads for Beginners course on Coursera, which is part of the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. Taking such courses not only enhances your skill set, but also increases your chances of landing remote jobs, even without prior experience. One hiring manager recommends these courses as they demonstrate genuine interest in the field. Therefore, I rate this opportunity a solid 9 out of 10. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Moving on, let's discuss YouTube. As YouTube is owned by Google, it offers numerous avenues for earning within the creator economy. There's a plethora of job opportunities within the YouTube ecosystem, ranging from video editing and script writing to social media management and creative direction. Many freelancers on platforms like Upwork earn substantial incomes by offering YouTube-related consulting services. Admittedly, my perspective might be biased as a YouTuber myself, earning 6 figures monthly from my channel. Nevertheless, I believe YouTube offers unparalleled opportunities, earning it a perfect 10 out of 10 on the opportunity score. The next opportunity might come as a surprise, but it's Google Sheets. Essentially, Google Sheets serves as the online equivalent of Excel, offering immense utility due to its compatibility with various online platforms. With Google Sheets, you can automate tasks by linking it with tools like Zapier or Airtable, enabling automatic data tracking from multiple sources across the internet. Experts in Google Sheets can command significant earnings, both directly and indirectly. In my experience, Google Sheets has been an invaluable tool for years, serving various purposes from tracking to organization. There's a remarkable anecdote about someone who transitioned from minimum wage to a $75,000 yearly income simply by creating Google Sheets. Furthermore, Google Sheets seamlessly integrates with coding, expanding the range of possibilities. Mastering Excel and Google Sheets, which share many similarities, can open doors to lucrative opportunities. Data analysts earn $66,000 to $103,000 annually, while even data entry clerks make approximately $34,000 to $48,000. Spreadsheet analysts command salaries ranging from $64,000 to $98,000 per year. Given that virtually every business utilizes Google Sheets or Excel, there's a plethora of job and freelancing opportunities available. Fortunately, there's free training available on platforms like Coursera for maximizing the potential of Google Sheets. Advanced tutorials are also accessible for free. Given the universal need for organization and data tracking in businesses, this opportunity is highly valuable. Therefore, I rated a commendable 7.5 out of 10 on the opportunity score. If you love this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.